Hi, I'm Ben Levesque, CEO of Finley Regional Care. We're a community-owned not-for-profit organisation providing aged care services through our 75-bed facility, including dementia care, home care and our medical centre. We're always continuously mindful of air quality around infection control and odour, particularly influenza, and the safety and comfort of our residents is very important in regards to that. At Finley Regional Care, we continually strive for excellence in care to our community, and the steps we take to provide a clean environment is hand and surface sanitisation. In addition to that, recently we've installed AeraMax Professional system to help manage the odour infection control. The AeraMax system helps us address the key accreditation standards from the quality agency through infection control and as well as continuous improvement. We've seen a lot of changes since we've installed the AeraMax Professional, particularly odour control, as well as infections and sick leave for our staff. We've had feedback from residents and staff at how much fresher the environment is, and particularly after, if there is an incident, the odour is removed from the air very quickly. We've installed the AeraMax Professional units in the high traffic areas, such as the living areas, dining areas, and also around pan rooms to help control odour as well as influenza. If you're serious about infection control and improving your air quality, I'd definitely recommend these units.